stops, please wait for the next local train. For more information on F Express Diamond Service, please call 511 Lugard to
Diamond Service, he says.
Post Business Station, 7th Avenue next.
Diamond Service. Alright, everybody, let's try this one more time. F-Train Express. It's Monday, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna do it. Okay, so, heading down, escalator fun. Whee! Escalator fun. Alright, we're on J Street Metro Tech. We are definitely gonna take the F Express this time, right? Alright, swipe on through there. Swipe on through to the other side. And down to the platform is that... no. That can't be it. Guy with a camera there. Do you see that guy with the camera? This is the first F Express train Brooklyn bound today. So I'm guessing there will be more transit fans down here, right? Yeah. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, that was not the F Express. That was just an F train regular, because I don't think it's not quite 5 o'clock yet. So, yeah, I guess we'll just keep on tapping. Hey, look at that, a C train. An R179 C train. Cool. Get a look at this since there's no F train to possibly catch. Seems to me the MTA's been a bit shady about like details and stuff up until today. Like, they said September, and then they said Monday, and now, from what I understand, it's between 5 and 5:30. So it is around 5 o'clock right now. So we'll wait here 30 minutes and see if we can find the F train. Is this it? Is this it? Nah, it's not. Just a regular... Actually, I don't know. Maybe it won't have a diamond. Maybe it won't have a diamond. Maybe it is an F train. They just said local. Shoot. The announcer lady, fake announcer lady just said local. It's local. Ugh, that dude just spit. Dude, don't spit on... That's... I mean, I hope he aimed it right and it went between the tracks. Let's see. Next F train in 4 minutes. And it's a local, it said. I don't know, does it... Yeah, I don't know. I haven't seen any diamonds yet. So, just keep on trying, I guess, right? Here comes another one. Tappity tap it on here, and it's another F train, and yeah. We'll have to see if this is an F train express. No?
This is the Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound F local train.
F local. Okay, well, that's 3 F local trains. What is next? It only get, I mean, it's gotta get, that dude just put his foot in the door. He was like, I'm gonna get, nope. Alright, well, let's see, the Uptown, to see us just after 5 now, okay. 8 minutes, alright, cool. This one? Fingers crossed. Next stop is Bergen Street. Nope. Fail. That is not an F Express train. I would assume, between 5 and 5:30, I would assume 5:15. Hey, look at that. PM rush hours. They got it. Oh, that's the first diamond. That's the first diamond I've seen. Well, this isn't it, right? This is just a regular, this is an old style F train. Look at that. Maybe it's, are we sure it's not Express? Look, I'm tired of guessing. Is this Express or not? No, I don't think so. Oh, there's a lady handing out flyers. Let's check. See what she says. Alright, so I got a flyer and it says, let's see, starts from Church Avenue at 7:28 in the morning, 7:31 in the morning from 7th Avenue, J Street Metro Tech 737. Okay, flip it over. This is the one we're looking for. 522. The first one will be here at 522 and 553. That is a big difference from what they said initially between 5 and 5:30. Whatever. And oh, look at that! There it is. There it is. It's even on the subway time map. All right. So okay. So one regular train. Get that out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here, regular train. By the way, met some nice young transit fans also. So shout out to the transit fans that are riding the F Express in Brooklyn today. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Is it gonna have a diamond? Is it gonna be? That's just a circle. That's not all these. Come on. They had time. They put a diamond on the sign. They put a diamond on the app. They couldn't put a diamond on the front. Nope. No diamond there. I mean, I don't expect the diamond to be there. Maybe there's a diamond up. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Like, they can't, I guess it costs too much to... Oh, announcement.
Weekday rush hours. 2 select F trains will be available in the AM rush hour and PM rush hour service.
Alright,
This train
cool.
is making express stop. 7th Avenue will be next, followed by Church Avenue. For local stops, please wait for the next local train. For more information on F Express Diamond Service, please call 511 Love to
Diamond Service, he says.
Station, 7th Avenue next.
Diamond Service. Yeah, I've saw the only diamonds I've seen are on the easy to change parts. The sign, the app, the flyer. No diamond on the train. Anyway, alright, well, here we are. We're finally we finally did it. We're on the express train. Yay! Express F. First one, Brooklyn bound. First day, September 16th. And here's Carroll Street. Guess what, Carroll Street? We're not stopping you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Carroll Street. Daylight. Woohoo! Alright, so the next stop would be Smith and Ninth, right? It would be if we were going local, but we're not. We're going express today on the F train, of all things. Still a nice view. I mean, this feels normal speed, but I guess it just skips stops. It doesn't seem... I mean, what do I expect? It's not like the F Acela or something, right? Alright, cool. Spent the night. Bye-bye. There's a nice G-Train stop there. But... yeah, no, that's another reason the G-Train's so boring, right? It's just local. Local, boring. Alright. There's another stop, so... 4th Avenue is next, yeah? 4th Ave, 9th Street. And there's good old downtown Brooklyn. Let's pan on the left, and right about in the center of the frame right there is where we started. Been a long way. We haven't even stopped. J Street Metro check to here, no stops. Pretty awesome so far. Alright. There, this is 4th Ave. Not stopping. Although, correct, this is just my opinion, but it seems like it would make more sense to stop here rather than 7th Ave.
Weekday rush hour, AM service and PM service. 2 select F trains will be making express stops. This is an F Express train. 7th Avenue will be next, followed by Church Avenue. For more information, call 511.
511. Now, don't get me wrong. This is pretty cool that they made an express, the F Go Express. But I mean, at 7th Avenue, all you can transfer to is the G, and go back uptown.
This is 7th Avenue.
At 4th Ave, you could transfer to the N and the R as well, right? N, I think it's the N, yeah. So it just makes more sense to have the one stop in between be a stop with more transfers. Yeah. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm not the MTA. I don't run the logistics on this, so yeah. Oh, okay, you can't transfer to the N at 4th Ave night, just the R, but still, that's at least one more transfer, right? Unless the end's running local, then for some reason it stops there. Which, I don't know why it would. Alright. Tapping on through. I guess the next stop will be Church Avenue, yeah? 2 stops. Church Ave, here we go. 7th Ave and Church Ave from J Street Bench. That was pretty good. I mean, 5 or 6 minutes? It's not bad, right? I mean, the schedule said, what, 7:30?
Hillwell Avenue bound F Expressway. The next stop is Business Avenue.
7:35 from 7:22 to 7:33. I don't remember exactly what the schedule said, but it's pretty fast. Anyway, we gotta go back up. We gotta go back up to... Hey, the G train stopped there. Run! Let's get on the G train. Alright, back up we go. Back north. We've already ridden the 2 express stops that it'll go, and now we're going back to No Sleep Till Brooklyn. We're in Brooklyn, of course. We started at Brooklyn, we'll end in Brooklyn. Bergen Street. So hey, look, they can even have the little diamond F up there. That's cute. All right. I wonder what they put those up there. When do you suppose they? I don't know. I didn't see them last time, but I really wasn't looking. So maybe they were there last time. Who knows, right? I don't know if they were there. All right. So, as I've said many times before, there's Fort Hamilton Parkway. The G train is boring. So, I'm gonna goodbye to the G train as soon as possible. Ha! I do not like the G train. I mean, it'll be cool when it gets to like 4th Ave and Smith and Ninth, so I can like have a nice view, but that's gonna be about it. 15th Street, Prospect Avenue, sorry, Prospect. I am standing clear of the closing doors, Mr. Announcerman. Hey, he had a very clear voice. I guess I picked a G-Train car where the speaker actually works worth the darn, and the announcer's not holding his mouth too close to the microphone. 7th Ave. Been here. Alright. 9th Street, 4th Ave, the point where the transfer should be, but it's not. Alright, tappity tap, let's get on.
This is 4th Avenue and 9th Street. Transfer is available to the F and R train.
4th Avenue, yeah, see, 4th Avenue, 9th Street. Transfer is available to the F and R. Would have made a lot more sense. Okay, you know what? I don't run the numbers on this.
The next stop is this and 9th Street.
I'm not the one running the numbers on the MTA travel, so I guess this makes sense to the MTA. Whatever. But now you have to take just a F local train to get to the R transfer point if you want to go to the. Oh, what am I even saying? What am I even saying? That you can just get on the R at J Street. What am I even saying? Doesn't make any sense. I mean, that might work cool for somebody coming from Brooklyn in the morning on the R train and then transferring to the F. But if it was going to run express, but yeah, no, that's weird. Anyway.
This is a Queens-bound G train. The next stop is Bergen Street.
Alright, Bergen Street's next. That's gonna be ours. Yeah, see, like I said, I don't run the numbers on these train stops, so kudos to the MTA for these 4 express F trains. So now, the only 2 express trains I have not ridden as express trains are the 7, which at least one of my fans keeps mentioning. 7, right? When are you gonna ride the 7 express? When are you gonna... Right now, I'm wondering when this door's gonna close. He just said we're leaving. Anyway, when are you gonna ride the 7? Where are you gonna ride the 7? When are you gonna ride the 7 express? I also have not ridden the 6 express to Pelham Bay in the in the Bronx. I have not ridden that. I've ridden the Diamond 6 while it was in Manhattan, but it doesn't make express stops in Manhattan. No skip stops in Manhattan. Okay, finally. So I think those are the only two express trains that I have not ridden. The Diamond 6 and the Diamond 7. I'm sure one of you, somebody's gonna comment below, but you haven't ridden this one yet. Yeah, you're probably right. Okay, transfers available to the F train. Not gonna though. Not gonna. Alright, Bergen Street. And there's the F train in 5 minutes. Almost hit my head on that. That's what happens when you stretch. You guys didn't know that I'm all stretchy, huh? I can stretch really high. Alright, G train. Boring as ever. Goodbye. Alright, let's tappity tap on up to Bergen Street to the surface and find a nice place to sign off. Alright, up here. How about back here? This looks like a... Wait a minute. Somebody parked their bikes there. Alright, well I guess they need somewhere to park their bikes. Alright, this is a good place. I gotta go pick up Shady Victor D and Shady Selleck, so let's go. Subscribe. Shout out to the transit fans I met today, who unfortunately discovered I'm just some boring dude.